Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to force the Windows 11 26H2 feature update if it is not showing up in Windows Update. The first and easiest method is to use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft software download page. Find the Windows 11 Installation Assistant section and click Download Now. After the file finishes downloading, right-click Windows 11 Installation Assistant and choose Run as Administrator. When the tool opens, click Accept and Install. The assistant will check your computer, download the latest version, and begin installing Windows 11 26H2 while keeping your personal files, apps, and settings. If the installation assistant does not work, you can use the Media Creation tool instead. Go back to the same Microsoft software download page and, under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click Download Now. Run the Media Creation tool and select Create Installation Media for another PC. Choose ISO file as the media type and save it to your desktop. After the download is complete, open the ISO file and run Setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to perform an in-place upgrade. Thanks for watching.